Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time here, my name is Gary, aka the Plastic Boy. If you don't follow me on the gram, then you should do. While you're here, if you want to click that subscribe button, obviously join the fam, and obviously like this video as we go on if you do love this video. Today we are creating a super sexy, sultry, and super cute Valentine's Day look, which I've created here for you guys. You know, you can treat your man, your sugar daddy, your other baby daddy. Who cares? We just want to feel fabulous and fucking sexy. So if you want to see how I got this look, keep on watching. So as you know, today we're doing a Valentine's Day look. You know, Valentine's Day isn't that special to me. I just feel like it's any ordinary day. People just spend unnecessary money and try and do the most to impress the other half, but every day should be Valentine's Day. I'm really sorry if you guys can hear the wind. Apparently some kind of hurricane's coming, but we move. Okay, so today I'm using so many new products. I'm super excited, but we're gonna do the eyes first. That wind sounds crazy. What in the Hurricane Katrina? So I'm using the new Colourpop palette today, and this is called All That. And look how pretty it is, guys. So gorgeous. So what I'm gonna do, I'm actually gonna use a concealer for eyeshadow base. I'm gonna use the Too Faced multi-use concealer. I'm just gonna put some on my eyes really quickly because the Peel Louise one is nice, but the color is just a tiny bit too close to my skin tone, and I want something quite lighter just so the colors really pop. Guys, I'm not even sure what color scheme to do. This palette is so pretty, but I feel like it's kind of like not missing something, so I'm gonna add this Pat McGrath Star Wars palette to it, just because it's kind of giving me those pinky and purple vibes. I was gonna use the Ambisi palette, but I just feel like there's just no need, so I'm gonna use this Colourpop palette here. And then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go in with the shade Please Me, baby, just please me. I cannot sing, so I'm gonna get some of that. I wish this palette had a mirror, and then I'm just gonna like dab it on the eye, just because we've got no foundation on. Oh, this is super pigmented. Wow. I'm just gonna dab that on, then we're gonna blend that out. This is such a nice color, but I didn't expect it to be so dark, but we move. So I'm then gonna go in with the shade Silhouette, which is this pretty shade here. It looks kind of like a off-reddish kind of, there's a bit of kickback on the palette, if you can see there, but these palettes are actually so nice. So I'm just gonna blend that out. What's everyone doing for Valentine's Day, and how is everyone? Is everyone getting off to a cute February? I feel like February is going so much faster than January. It's actually crazy. Like, oh my god, I'm super excited for March. I got some exciting things to announce. I've known about it for a while, but I just feel like what I'm about to announce has been in the long process of making, so I'm not as excited as I am until I know it's gonna hit March. So when it hits, you guys will definitely be the first to know, and it's very, very exciting, like insane. Okay, so I'm gonna use Please Me just to darken up the corners a bit. This palette is super pretty. I think it just came out quite recently, actually. Colourpop recently added me to their PR list, which I'm super happy for, like super excited. You know, guys, I've bought Colourpop so much and I love their products, but I've never really used their shadows. But actually, yes, I have. I used the Shayla one, but you know what I mean. But this one is so pretty. It's blending like a dream. I think it helps because my brushes are clean. And thank you so much to everyone that commented of me trying to be consistent. I did say this year I really want to grow my YouTube and do different content. So thank you so much for noticing. It really does mean the world to me. Okay, so I'm going to take this Pat McGrath Star Wars palette, which is called Pat McGrath Labs Mothership Star Wars palette. There's no name for it. Oh, it's called Dark Galaxy. This is so pretty. I'm not sure if you still can get these. It came out a while ago, but I'm gonna use this shade here. Hold on, this one here. Super, super nice. And these are super pigmented. So I must actually, this has a mirror, which is amazing. And then I'm just gonna press some here. Ooh, That's really nice. I know this palette might be expensive, but you can definitely get... This is quite similar to Matte Cranberry, so you can definitely use that. Because I know Pat McGrath palettes are expensive. If you guys don't follow me on the gram, she loved the gram. I actually did a Foundation Fridays, which is my new Instagram series. Well, I'm actually finishing it soon and starting something else. But I actually reviewed her foundation for the day. So if you want to check that out, definitely follow me on the gram, and it should be on my IGTV section. Period. Okay, so this Colourpop palette has pressed glitters. There's one called Uncensored, which is this one here, and there's one called Infatuation. And I feel like I might use a bit of Infatuation just to see what it looks like. I'm going to press some because these look a tiny bit mad. Let me just press them so it looks like. Ooh, can you see that? Let me see. Wow, that looks so nice. Oh my god. I wonder how much this palette is. I'll definitely link it in the description, but this is doing something to me. Okay, so I'm really gonna amp this eye up. I want to add some of Uncensored, which is this one here, which looks super insane. I'm just gonna add some to... What? I don't even know if this even is a pressed glitter. The formula's mad. No, it is a pressed glitter. It's definitely some pressed glitter, but I just can't even cope. Oh my god, it's making my eye look wet. There's some liner off camera. I used the Melt Gel one. And they're not that even, but who cares? Who cares? I feel like it looks so pretty. I'm going to do the under eye and add lashes after. A lot of people always ask me what corrector I use, and it's a Live Tinted in Found. I'm just going to go in any areas where I'm quite dark. Obviously, because I'm deeper skin toned, when a spot comes, it just leaves such a dark mark. And I've just been having like issues recently. It's not as bad as it was, but you know, I feel like corrector just helps, you know, kind of secure the look in the bag. Okay, so I'm super excited to use these. I actually got sent these a while ago, but they sent me the wrong colors, and I literally went for a meeting with them like maybe last week, and they sent me, well, gave me new ones. So this is the Milk Flex foundation stick. So I have Warm Deep and I have Golden Deep, and I think Warm Deep's like a really good match for me. I've heard really amazing things about this foundation, so let's begin. So this is, look at that match. So this is like Warm Deep. I think it has warm undertones, but it's neutral. But if you just look at the color, it's just so pretty. Oh my god, so I'm actually gonna use it. I'm gonna use a Milk foundation brush. It's a foundation, yeah. I'm gonna use that and then see how this blends out. Let me see the color. It feels amazing. It feels kind of matte. But what do you guys think? I just think the color, is that reading off well? Have I got a mirror? Yeah, I think the color is bang on. Well, not perfect, but it's probably the closest match. Okay, the foundation's on. I'm in two minds if I like it or not. It's very... What is it? It is nice. It's very natural, but like it looks too natural, I think. Like, what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. Like, it's nice, but it's not giving me that, like, I'm a bad bitch. Like, it looks super natural. Like, so I recently received, I feel like I'm just doing like a whole new products video as well as a Valentine's video. So I've received some new concealers, and these are the Conceal and Define Infinity, and they look like that. Apparently it's supposed to have 20% more pigment, 16-hour wear, 20% more full coverage. So the colors, I'm not gonna lie, I feel like they just released these in 60 shades as well, which I think is actually mad. Who needs a 60 shade concealer range? Makeup Revolution, you guys know I love you, but it's already overwhelming in the drugstore already. Well, Superdrug, when I tried to go in there and I was looking at to soup like Revolution section, you've got so many sections, and I just feel like it's too much for a consumer. I think the 0.5s are more golden and the 0.2s are more golden olive, so I'm going to use 12.5, and if I do need to brighten it up more, I will. This is what it looks like. I do love these concealers, but I don't reach for them. But let me see this shade. Oh, this is a nice shade. I'm actually gonna, not gonna put too much on because these are full coverage. I'm just gonna put a bit on. Whew, and then blend it out. I probably won't wait because these, if I remember, dry very quickly. So let's do this color. The deeper shades, again, do need work. And when I tried out the foundations, the dark shades were just a bit too neutral, and there isn't a lot of golden shades as you go up. So these shades are kind of for more of like a medium skin tone, but the deep shades in the concealer don't look as promising, but I do need to check them out in real life. But this concealer actually looks really nice. Ooh. So the concealer's on. It is a tiny bit brighter. I added another shade. I added number... what shade was it? 11.2. You know what's really weird? Because I've been using the Hourglass one, with one dip, I can probably do both eyes on my face. But with the Revolution one, obviously it's drugstore, so it's different. I have to dip in so much, and I'm just like, oh my god, like there is a difference. So while that kind of like dries down, I'm gonna use the Milk Flex foundation in Espresso. Hopefully this is like nice to contour with, because I'm gonna be very upset. Oh yeah, this is really nice. Ooh, it's so smooth. Yeah, this is like, it's not too dark as well, which is amazing. And I know it will blend out really nicely on top of this foundation. It's gonna blend out this contour. The color's actually really, really nice. I feel like contouring is just my most favorite bit of my makeup, just because I love adding dimension to the face. Because everyone else used to wear foundation, what the hell was I doing? Like, I was taking all the shape out of my face. Again, if any of you guys are doing anything interesting for I was gonna say Halloween for Valentine's Day, let me know. Valentine's Day is on a Friday this year, I believe, which is actually a cute date, because remember when Valentine's Day, like sometimes it falls on like a Tuesday or like a Monday, like what's anyone doing? But because it's on a Friday, I just feel like restaurants take the piss, everything's more expensive, hotels take the piss. But imagine, would you guys want to be proposed to on Valentine's Day? I feel like it kind of takes the fun out of it, and it's so predictable. It's like someone doing it on Christmas Day or on Valentine's Day. I would not want to be proposed to on Christmas Day, because first of all, your anniversary is on the most baitest day of the year. It's just too much, you know. But I'm actually really liking this as a contour. Seeing as we used the Colourpop palette, I've actually got a new Colourpop powder, the No Filter Setting Translucent Caramel Powder. So it's such a beautiful shade. So I'm going to use that under the eye because it looks super cute. My sponge is damp. I'm not going to bake. I'm just going to press it into the eye. Doesn't smell. I'm so used to the Huda Beauty one, but ooh, the color of this is banging. Oh, what? This looks incredible, even just by first application. Can you guys see that? Like, what? I think this powder's like $5, guys. Like, Colourpop do ship internationally, so don't come and drag me in the comments. You can add duties and everything to the delivery, but it does take long to come, I'm not gonna lie. I was really impressed with that powder. It looks so nice. And by the way, the glitter in the Colourpop palette is loose because there's little particles on my face, which is so annoying, but it's fine. I'm gonna use the Jouer bronzer, which is my fave, in medium deep. Yeah, it's a new one. It's really good for deeper skin tones. I could do with like one more shade, because this one, if it was like a bit lighter, it wouldn't show up on me, but it's actually so beautiful. It kind of reminds me of, it's hard, like the color in it is so unique. Like, I'm trying to think who else. Well, I was hoping to see like the Prime Beauty bronzer, but I think a bit more buttery. So the base is actually looking super pretty. I actually really, really like it. It looks so flawless. Like, I'm actually kind of shook, like how nice it looks. I keep looking at myself in the monitor. So we're gonna do the bottom lash line. So I'm gonna use a bit of, I'm not sure what to use actually. I might use Please Me and Wink Wink. So I'm gonna do those in the bottom lash line, just so we can get this on the road. Blended out so nicely under the lash line. So I'm gonna go in now with, actually I'm gonna use Silhouette, because I feel like Wink Wink's quite a nice transition. So I'm gonna take a Jaclyn Hill brush. I'll come which one it's called, because it's got a little thing over it. So I'm just gonna do this underneath. Guys, I'm loving this look. I'm gonna throw on some lashes. I'm actually gonna throw on these Eylure ones, and these are the LUXE 3D. So I'm gonna throw these on quickly, then we can finish up the look. So I'm literally waiting for my lashes to dry just because it's taking a bit longer than normal. I'm gonna go in with this. It's a Revlon Colourstay Micro Hyper Precision Gel Eyeliner. It's in the quite a nude white shade, which kind of looks like that. I hope it's not too stark, but I'm a bit worried because sometimes gel eyeliners can break off and leave like little pieces and irritate my contact lenses. So I'm going to try this on first before my lashes dry, and let's see if this is cute. Guys, the lashes are on. What do you think? So cute. I've put some of that Revlon water gel pencil in my eye. I actually love the color and I love how it is, but I feel like it's a bit weak, so it kept breaking off. So it's one of those things. So I'm gonna add some setting spray because my face looks a bit powdery. I'm gonna use the Morphe one because I'm not going out today, so there's no point using all-nighter. I'm not wasting it, so let me use some of the Morphe one. Okay, so before I move on, I always forget my inner corner highlight, so I'm gonna use Fishnets in this Colourpop palette because it looks so pretty. One. Pretty. Okay, so for highlight, obviously, I'm gonna have to use my Milk Flex highlight. I just feel like I haven't got any new highlights that really make me feel amazing. And every time I put this on, it just makes me feel like, you know, $1,000, $1 million. But I'm using this Milk brush. Milk actually do some really good products, actually. I'm just gonna, oh, it's literally my favorite highlight, and it photographs so well. Okay, so I think the last thing we have to do is lips, and I think we're almost done. Like, really loving the way this looks really turning out. So I've got so many new lip products. So I have, I'm trying to think, was I supposed to use anything else? So I have the new Hourglass lipstick. So I have Armani one, which is more pinky. Which one shall I use? They're both so good, but this one's more of a mousse, but I feel like this one will go. Let me just use this one because I can see the color already, and I feel like it would look so nice because it's got that kind of pinky hue to it. I'm gonna take the Charlotte Tilbury lip liner in Pillow Talk 3 Intense to line the lips. I'm gonna take the Armani Lip Maestro in Intense 202. This is amazing. I literally got it the other day. So let's hope this color suits me. Okay, so I really like this Lip Maestro by Armani. It's really, really cute. But I'm thinking, should I add a gloss to make it a bit more juicier? So Revlon, I've got this gloss. I'm not kind of mixing drugstore and loads of luxury today. And it's called the Super Lustrous Gloss. So that actually gave me one of these. It was gifted, but I know it's going to change the look of the lip, but it's fine. It is a really good formula. I've worn it by itself. So let's try this out. So as you can see, the gloss did alter the lip a bit, but I actually really like it. It's really good, that kind of gloss, if you want to tone down a lip. But guys, this is the finished look. What do you think? I actually really like this Valentine's Day look. I feel like it's so pretty. The foundation is actually so beautiful. The highlight is nice. The eyes look nice. The lashes are beautiful. The lip is beautiful. I just really like it. Let me guys know what you think. I'm just actually living for it. Like, I feel like it's Valentine's, but it's not like in your face. Like, the eyes beautiful. I feel like a bad bitch. Like, someone come fly me out. Fly me the fuck out. Period. Oh my god. Okay. We don't want anything on our teeth. So guys, let me guys know if you enjoyed this look. I really enjoyed creating this look with you. It was actually really beautiful and nice to like use new products and spice it up a bit because I was kind of like, you know, stuck in a rut. But yeah, let me know what you think in the comments down below, and let me guys know what you do for Valentine's Day. And I shall see you in my next one, guys. Bye.